2018 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, front bucket seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.